Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Smart Skills Up TV with me, Mary Adele. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make at least 14,000 naira from an app called PalmPay. And this is for people who are in Nigeria. Well, I think PalmPay is actually in other African countries, yeah, and in other places also, but I'm not certain. But if you're a Nigerian and you're looking for a means of earning daily income, then this app called PalmPay is where you can actually do so. So PalmPay is actually a microfinance, it's an online microfinance banking platform that you can use to carry out transactions such as buy airtime, recharge your GoTV, and pretty much every other kind of online transactions. All right, you can also use it to do transfers and all of that, and you can also borrow money from there and all that. But a lot of people do not know that there is actually very huge potentials to earn money from PalmPay, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to download the PalmPay app. You go to your Apple Play Store if you're using an iPhone, or you go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone and download it. It's actually free to download, right? So after you download the app, you sign up. It's very easy to also do. Like, you just need to enter your phone number, and I think you don't even need to enter your BVN. And that's one of the things that makes it very seamless, so to say, right? So you get to sign up on the app, and you don't exactly need your BVN to do all of that. But I'm not certain though, but even if you need to use your BVN, it doesn't matter, because it's actually needed to be able to link your bank details, like your normal bank details, to the app. All right, and one of the things you need to be rest assured is that the platform is actually CBN, how do I put it down? Like, it's under the CBN rules. So basically, they don't just operate on their own, right? They don't just operate on their own. They are actually insured by the NDDC, something like that, and the CBN. So they are legally covered, right? So how do you earn from PalmPay? It's actually very easy. It's actually using their refer and earn their refer and earn system. All right, so what this means basically is that you get to make money when you refer people to come sign up on the platform. All right, so when you come to, after you've uploaded the app, or after you've signed up on the app, the next thing you want to do is to come to here where we have the refer and earn. All right, that refer and earn button, and here you see invite new users to get cash. Now, a lot of people are actually making a lot of money from this app. You just don't know, because you don't know, right? So invite new users to get cash. Your friends can get 1,000 naira welcome bonus. So that is even the catch, right? So when you invite people to sign up on this app, also, aside from the fact that they get other benefits, one of the first benefits they actually get is that they stand the chance to earn a 1,000 naira welcome bonus after they've signed up. All right, but now, how do you actually make money? It is by referring people to the platform, right? After you've invited them with your link, they sign up, and then you get your cash reward. And PalmPay is actually saying that for each new person you invite, when you invite 2 persons, you actually stand the chance of earning 1,400. When you invite 4 persons, you get 2,800, and when you invite 6 users, you get 4,500. So how about if you're able to invite up to 10 persons in a day, at least 10 persons in a day, you get to earn at least 14,000 naira every day, or even more, right? So it's actually a very good opportunity to make money if you're looking for, let's say for instance, you work at a 9 to 5 and you're looking for other sources to make money. This is actually something you can do to start getting money every day, so you don't have to go asking people for urgent 2k, right? Okay, so now, how do you now invite people? How do you get people to invite? One of the things that you want to push out when you start to invite people is to let people know the benefits of using this platform, right? Because people, even though there's something they used to say that even if you're selling heaven and earth, some persons will not buy, but then when you're able to project the benefits of something to people, they will have no issues with taking the offer and all. So one of the things you want to do is to let people know the benefits of actually signing up with PalmPay. All right, so shortly I'm going to be telling you some of the benefits that you can actually project to people, and then I'm also going to be giving you tips to get people to sign up on PalmPay using your referral link. All right, so there are actually various ways you can do it, but essentially for you to be able to get at least 10 persons to sign up with you, you need to have the traffic. So traffic is very, very important. Everything revolves around traffic is people. So once you're able to get traffic, so if you want 10 persons to register with you, you ought to have gotten like 50 persons. All right, so it's just a rule of numbers essentially. So you ought to get at least 10 persons to come through, and then get to tell them about the benefits of this, and then at least 10 persons will get to register at the end of the day. All right, so I'm also going to be leaving the link to my own referral link in the description of this video. So kindly do me a favor and also do subscribe. Kindly also sign up. If you're not yet signed up, you can also sign up with my referral link as well. All right, and hey, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you would be aware when we post similar videos like this. And all we actually do on this channel is show you how to make money, how to make money on the internet. There are a lot of opportunities just like this one to actually make money, and you don't want to miss out on any of those. All right, so let's get back into it. Now let me show you some things, right? So when you come here, you'll be seeing a number of persons that are actually collecting their monies, as at the time you are actually on the app. All right, so you can see here, these things scrolling here are actually people who are receiving their money and giving testimonials of how they've received money. So you can actually see that it's real. All right, so this one is saying, I'm so happy I received my 1,400. I feel so good. 1,400 again. So it means that this person has actually been doing it before. All right, so it's actually real. It works. All right, because I actually know people who are doing this. But then the cocoa is now where and how to get people to sign up. All right, so let's see. This is how it works. It says share your link or code with friends. So after you sign up, you get you grab your referral link. All right, then step 2, invitee registers, and then you get your cash reward. Then step 3 is get cash reward after invitee finish tax. So there are maybe some other tax for the person to actually do and all that. So it's a referral system. I know some persons don't like bring one and bring 2 persons and do this, all of those things that people used to see. But then, well, making money is actually not easy if you look at it. So but it actually works. Right now, let me what are some of the ways, or what are some of the benefits of actually using this app, which is what you're going to be projecting to people. The first one is the seamless transactions that it actually offers people. That a lot of people complain of the fact that when they are using bank transfers, it actually sometimes it's very, very difficult for the transfer to hit the other person. All right, but one of the advantages of using apps like PalmPay is that the transfers are seamless. Like you transfer to someone right now and then the person receives it immediately. There is no hassle, right? So that's one of the advantages of using PalmPay. Then another thing is that people actually have the opportunity of earning money, right? Just like people can, when you invite people, they also have the opportunity to earn money. So it's actually a good point. It's a good score point to let people know why they should actually sign up on the platform. Then another thing is that they earn cashbacks, they earn cash reward or cashbacks for every transaction they do, right? So especially if these persons are people who do heavy transactions, they can actually earn money from every transaction they carry out. Like it's called cashback, and they can actually use that money as well to maybe do other transactions. They can even withdraw the money. So that is even for you another way to earn money, right? So you can earn cashbacks on all your transactions that you do. Then another thing is that they also get 1,000 naira welcome bonus after they sign up. So that is also another advantage for them. So I'm just telling you these core points that you can actually use to convince people to sign up with your referral link, right? Then another advantage to using PalmPay that you can also get people to know is that it offers you 0 transaction charges, right? So you don't actually have to like whenever you do transactions, the charges is always 0 to none, right? Like they don't charge you so much like the way conventional banks do. Conventional banks, when you use them, the charges are always much and it can get very, very annoying and on your nerves. But if you're using an app like PalmPay, you don't actually get all those charges. Like, some of those charges don't get to apply, so it's also a good core point. All right, then I've said you get 1K welcome back bonus. Then okay, so another advantage of using the app is that you can actually get a loan of up to 100K or even more. So PalmPay actually offers you the opportunity to get loans. So I think in another video I'm going to be showing you how to get loans from PalmPay, from this app called PalmPay. So you actually get the opportunity to get loans of up to 100K on the app. So well, loans are actually important. If you look at it, it doesn't mean that you're broke or anything like that. Like, if you want to do a business and you don't seem to have the money to start, getting loans is not exactly a bad thing. So and PalmPay actually offers you that opportunity. All right, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to get loans from PalmPay, and that is why you should stick to this video, to this channel. If you're not yet subscribed, kindly do that now. Subscribe to the channel so that you would know when I post videos like this. These videos are always very helpful. All right, so those are some of the advantages you can actually push out to people to get them to sign up with your link. I'm sure there are other ones that I don't exactly know. All right, so now, how do you get people to sign up? How do you get the people? One of the first things you can actually do is to run ads. Right, you can run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and then just project the offer to people. All right, so I'm actually a Facebook ads expert, and also an Instagram and Google and YouTube ads expert. So if you want to actually run ads and you don't know how to, you can actually subscribe to my services. I'm not very expensive, so you can subscribe to my services to get a lot of people to show interest in signing up to your PalmPay using your referral link. All right, so but if you want to also learn how to run the ads yourself, you can also take my Facebook ads course. Right, so I'm going to be leaving the link to that course in the description of this video so that you can get access to it. But I'm also going to be leaving the link to my WhatsApp, so that if you have any questions concerning anything that we're discussing, you can also come up to me and ask your questions. All right, so another way you can also get a lot of people to sign up is to talk about it on your Facebook platform, right? Your Facebook account, all right, or any social media platform where you're active. It could be Twitter, it could be Facebook, or any other place where you're very active and where people are. You can even talk about it in groups. All right, groups like Rant Headquarters on Facebook, where a lot of people are. You can just tell them, okay, I have a way that you can actually make a lot of money from PalmPay. If you're interested, just DM me, send me a DM, and then you get to tell people how they do it. I've seen a lot of these things online. Like, I've seen a lot of people talking about this on places like Rant Headquarters, and a lot of people show interest, and those people, well, they get to earn money, because when those people show interest, they come into their WhatsApp DM, they are able to share their referral link with them, and people are actually making money in this online space now. So this is actually one of the ways to do it, right? You can share your don't go about sharing your referral link on those platforms, especially on those groups like Rant Headquarters, because they will ban you, they will remove you from the group. All right, so instead of sharing your link, just tell them, okay, I know a way that you can make money on PalmPay. You can make 1,400 naira every day on PalmPay, right? A lot of people are going to be saying, I'm interested. Just find a way to push those people into your WhatsApp DM. Give them a tutorial on how it works, and then drop your link for them to sign up. All right, so that is the technique you would also use on your own Facebook account, or maybe when you're running ads. Then another place you can also get visibility for this is on your Facebook stories. A lot of people don't know the power of Facebook stories. I'm going to be sharing a video very soon to talk about how I get over 1,000 plus views on Facebook stories. Like, people don't know the power that Facebook stories actually have, but I'm going to be sharing with you how it actually works in a later video. All right, so Facebook stories is also another place you can also get a lot of people to sign up for PalmPay using your link. All right, another place is TikTok. If you do videos on TikTok, you would be able to tell people the advantages of using PalmPay and get people to sign up with you. Then, of course, another place you can also do is on a blog. All right, so let's say, for instance, that you run a blog. You can actually write articles around PalmPay and related articles on finance, and just put your link there, and when people read that article, they can link back to your referral link, and then they can sign up. All right, you want to ensure that at every point you're letting people know the advantages of signing up with this app, because that's one of the things, that's one of the reasons, because people always need reason to do something, so you want to show them the advantage of it. All right, there are even articles you can do where you'll be comparing, you can compare conventional banks to PalmPay and the advantages they get. And banking is what a lot of people do, right? So long as you're in this world and you use money, you would always need a banking. All right, you always need to do banking and all that. All right, so it's actually something that can sell real fast if you do it well. All right, so another place you can also get people to sign up with you is on YouTube. All right, so let's say you have a YouTube channel just like I have, so you can also talk about it on your YouTube channel, do related videos, related content, video content on finance and money and all of those things, and then leave your link in the description, and you'd see that people are going to show interest and get to sign up with you. So at the end of the day, it's very, very possible to make over 14k. The 14k I talked about, it's possible to get to earn over that amount within one day if you know how to play your marketing game very, very well. All right, so I believe that you've gotten value from this video. I know very well that you've gotten value from this video, so do not leave this tutorial without subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so. And if you don't yet have a PalmPay app, kindly do me a favor and use the link, my referral link, which is in the description of this video, to sign up to the PalmPay app. I know that I have shared something of value with you, and well, if there is any way to reward me, please just either subscribe to my channel or use my referral link to get your PalmPay app and start. And well, you actually get 1,000 naira welcome bonus for after you get to sign up. All right, so it's actually a good thing. Yeah. All right, so I think this is where you're going to be drawing the curtain into this tutorial, and I'm going to be seeing you in subsequent videos, because I know that you're now a subscriber on this channel, and of course I'm going to be seeing you in subsequent tutorials. So I think the next tutorial I want to do on this PalmPay is showing you how to get loans of up to 100,000 naira that you can actually use for different projects. All right, you can actually use to execute different projects. All right, so thank you so very much for staying until the end, and I will see you in subsequent videos. Bye for now.